which also was affected by the war. Women's fashion becomes to look very militarised as well as men, so women wore a lot of suits in the 1940s, and they had very big shoulders, the men and the ladies, and the men wore a lot of suits, the kind of suits that you still wear today if you were to dress up to go to a wedding or something. So now we're going to show you our suit, our military suit for the 1940s. But first of all, Charlotte are going to tell us about their outfit.
Okay, our outfit is kind of based after he's come out of war, because we wanted to do a more
that's why it's kind of like torn in like he's been in battle, you know what I mean?
He looks like he's been in battle.
Yeah. That's how gruesome it was. That's how gruesome the war was.
What does it think?
Yeah.